Hi guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Queen Nisha. On today's video, if you're new, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notification to join the Royal Squad, and if you're old, welcome.
You should know I'm a Bahamian from the Bahamas. It's the place you vacation. Slime domino every occasion. If I did it all.
So what's hanging, what's bubbling, how's it crawling, how's it going, what's crack-a-lacking?
Murder is crack-a-lacking. That's right. Crack-a-lacking. You guys are speaking my crack-a-lacking language.
I've been gone for a little while again due to me being lazy, but I think I'm back for real this time. Last time I told you that I had to get a new phone, and I did such. Last time, I think on my February random haul, I did tell you guys I have to get a new phone. My phone wasn't really working properly, but I got one. Yay me. So yeah, I got a new phone and now I'm back. So like 2 weeks ago I ordered from Shein, but the first time ever, which was it's really just a small order. I didn't like go out and buy clothes or anything, because if I buy clothes I probably have to wait till like May to buy like my summer clothes. If I buy my summer clothes now, I can want to wear them. I'm just wait till like May and June, preferably mainly before my birthday. My birthday is June 14th, so probably around in middle of April start looking, and then like begin to order them and have them here. So today I'm just going to show you what I got. I got a couple things, like 5-6 things. Yeah, I'll show y'all. So first off, I like to bake. Okay, I love to bake, and I love I bake cinnamon rolls, cheesecake. Right now I want to make a rum cake and a carrot cake. And I made cookies over the Christmas, and I cook a lot. And cooking involves me messing up my clothes. And I wear a lot of dark colors, so why not get one of these aprons? It's very cute. And y'all know your girl love lashes, so I had to get one with the lashes. I'm gonna leave the picture of the real thing like up there to be able to see what it looks like. That's one. Then summer coming and I'm about to start exercising, so I got 2 tights. It's just a black tights. Literally just a black tights. I holding it up wrong. Like literally just a black tights. I still holding it up wrong. These back up. I should really put that back in the box, and I got a colorful tights. I love the color of this one. It's so pretty. It's so cute. And because I got a new phone, right? I had to give away all my cases. Like, so my other phone. I had to give away all my cases. And all my cases was so cute. Like, I had a case with my face on it. I'm gonna eventually get that back. And then I had a case with my name on it. Then I had a little white flurry case. And then, what else? I had that. They had a lot of rose gold because my phone was rose gold. So I had a lot of rose gold cases and everything. I'm like, I was literally in tears when I gave away my phone, because I know that phone is my life. That phone was my everything. So, because of that, I had to get cases. Very like, I got this pink one. It's very cute and aesthetic. This is literally my home screen. Like, I saw it online. These flowers are literally my home screen on my phone. I'm gonna take a picture and leave it. That's my home screen. And then I thought this was so cute. This is cute. So I got an X, iPhone X, and this is my case. It's not any jelly or anything. It's not jelly thing. It is clear. And it's so, the original case that my phone came with was like boyish cases. They don't really look like Anisha case. I got this from the dollar store because it was protective and it was pink. And my favorite color is pink. And I actually like it. So now I have about 3 cases that I actually like. I don't know the one. These are my 3 cases that I actually like for my phone. And I'm about to pop this on because this is adorable, okay? This is awesome. So that's the end of my little mini Shein haul, my first Shein haul. Probably by May, beginning of June, I'm gonna be out with a huge Shein haul for my birthday. Hopefully I'm loved enough to get money for my birthday from my friends. Oh, I did got makeup from my friend as well. I'm gonna do a video with my makeup one of these days, just with her makeup that she got me. But yeah, hopefully I'm loved enough to get money for my birthday, and I'll be able to do a huge Shein haul during my birthday and the summer, because why not? But yeah, that's it for the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy this video. I know it's very short due to me not buying a lot. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy this. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification as well to know when I'm posting. And I'll see you next time on another video.